I'm back at the gar spot today. I was at the fishing store and I come across a bunch of baits that I don't use, or they just seem random, and I wanted to try some new stuff today. Some of it's just new to me, some of it's just real common. Like I don't do a lot of bass fishing, so I got some Synchos. I'm gonna try my hand at that, and then I found some interesting flies, which I'm gonna throw on. At the end of the video, I'll kind of show what I'll try today, but I'd like to try it, for the most part, everything, give everything a little bit of a chance here. So I'm throwing like this little hopper. Oh, I got some. Oh, I can't believe it. This might be my first fish on the fly in a very long time. There we go. Had it zoomed in for a second. Little rock bassy on the fly. And he's out just this little hopper. Little rock bassy. Bye bye, buddy. And then it makes a deep pool behind. So that's what I'm aiming for. Or I'm aiming for the sides over here. It makes me happy though. I'm having some success with the fly. I was really into it at the start of the year, but wasn't having any luck whatsoever. So I kind of put it on hold to do my trout fishing, which is usually inaccessible for a fly, for me, at my skill level. But let's try and get something else. I'm coming up on a couple bass. Right around there, there's one. So I'm gonna try this hopper for a bit. And if that's not gonna work for me, I'm gonna use the beetle spin. Here's a bass. Let's see if I can't make something happen here. Come on, come on. Oh, I missed him. I took my tip head off. I swear that just don't even work. Oh. Just throws off my, like that. It seems so much smoother than it was. Now that I say that, of course it's not very smooth, but there you go. Now I switched from the hopper. I put on a rainbow smelt because now I'm going downstream so I can have it look like a fish fighting the current, you know. I really ain't catching much, but trying to learn this over going all out on the easy stuff. Oh, there we go. There we go. On the fly. Come here. What do we got here? I think that's a little spotted bass. Well, might just be a largie. Bye-bye. Wow, it's not easy tying a dang knot. In the situation I'm in. Putting a frog on, obviously. And I like that I'm hearing all these frogs. Maybe I'll get some. I don't know. Oh. Oh, something smacked it. Oh, I got him. No, I lost him. Spot's loaded with suckers. Got my wiggly hopper on. See some smallies in here though. Oh, got one. Little largie sesh. Here we go. Oh, it's a smallie. I lied. On the wiggly hopper. Nice little smallie, little creek smallie, fatty. Bye bye. Come on. Oh, you looked at it. So I switched to a little bumblebee and a bobber because I can't see. What the heck is that? What the heck do I got here? World records, smallest smallmouth. Yeah, little smallmouth. That was a little obnoxious. Tiny smallmouth. You ate the bumblebee. Oh, bye-bye. Oops. There we go. Oh, I got one. No! That was a bigger one. Dang it. That would have been pretty epic.